Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they unfold. Market doesn't open up for let's see, another hour and 15 minutes. I do have a potential at getting some pre-market trades here, so I wanted to throw up the video, get it rolling, and we'll see what happens with it. Currently, I have an order on IQ at 30.45, so we'll see if that gets filled or not. I will do my best to capture any entry points, but when I'm doing customer service, emails, all that other stuff, things can get a little sketchy in terms of capturing stuff on video, but I will do my best. Well, right now I have broker issues, so light speed, not a very good showing on your part. So as you can see, my screen is blank. My broker part is missing. I do still have my charts up there from eSignal, but everything else I can't even get logged in. So yeah, we will see what happens. I'd love to be trying to trade AMBA right now, but that's not happening. So it is 9:50, 20 minutes into the day, and I'm still getting this error message whenever I try to get in. I feel a little bit better, though, talking with other traders in our trading room that use light speed. They are also having issues and such, so it's not like it's just me. So I guess that's kind of trying to look at the glasses half full. But yeah, so far, 21 minutes now into the day and can't even get into my broker. All right, I am in. It is now 9:54. Looking to get involved in SIG here if it wants to break down through 50. I got to be very careful though now of the desire and the voices to force a trade, because I feel like I've lost out on a lot of the day, which I have. For those of you that follow my videos, you know that I really thrive. Kind of my strategy is based around the opening part of the day, and I've lost out on a big chunk of that. So I need to be very aware of, like I said, those voices in my head, the urge to trade, the urge of you've missed out, now go make a trade. And I don't want to force anything. So I guess talking out loud does help with that. So that is kind of the key thing right now that I'm focused on, is not forcing a trade. So let's see what happens. All right, I am in here. So I'll just do a stop here we got 150. So I'm out there for $17. I actually missed the entry point. I wasn't even paying attention. And then all of a sudden I was filled. So I need to get a new order in here though. 51.95, double checking. Okay, so I wasn't paying attention. I was actually in the chat room and I looked over and I had started to get partially filled, and then it just started going my direction. So it only gave me the 150 out of the 500 that I wanted. So now it's a matter of seeing if I can get the thing going again. But yeah, put in a stop loss. But as soon as I put in the stop loss, I was quickly taken out. So, $17 on the trade. But I am looking to start the process over again, like I said, up at 51.95. All right, 52.25, have an order in. It went up as high as 19, did not fill me, so I'm going to go ahead and adjust that up now to 52.45, double checking. So we'll see if this thing wants to keep on moving here on the upwards move. Would like more than 500 shares, but step one is the price needs to first just get up there. It's trying to make a move right here. Let's see if it can get up there at a 52.45 or not. Said it is trying. Once again, let's see, got up as high as 36, so I guess not super close on this one. And back down it goes. All right, I'll pause it. Well, never mind. This one's quite jumpy all of a sudden. That's good. All right, I am going to pause it now, though. All right, I did change my order up to 52.65. Let's see if it can get up there or not. It's getting close. And nope. So this is getting kind of frustrating, but remember, I am looking at other things that you do not see on my screen. So due to those other things, I need to now get my order up to 52.85. So let's see if the price can get up there or not. I will keep you updated. And just keeping it real, nothing's perfect. And although my, what I'm looking at said I should have moved it, I would have still been right, and I would have still made money had I kept my order there. So just full disclosure, nothing is perfect. And here's an exact example of that. What I was seeing and following my system said I should have moved it, but I would have been okay. But looking like 52.85 has some potential here. So let's see if it can get up there or not. 81. Now back down to 71. Yeah, this one's pretty tricky. $52.99. Double checking. So that'll be my next new order point now. $52.99. SG creeping up. It actually hit a high of $52.94. My new order now is at $53.15. Also have an order to go short on MDGL, 100 shares at $330. So we'll see what happens here. I will keep you updated. All right, going for a break of 53 here. Again, my order is at $53.15. Okay, there's the break. Let's see if it can get up there and fill me. Good. Nope. All right. Wow, this is I don't know, maybe I'm mentally psyching myself out too since I know I missed and I don't want to force, but yeah, you saw the action. It broke, it started to go, and then back down it went. I guess you could probably argue at this time that all SIG is to me is a waste of time, but I don't want to give up on it quite yet. So I've moved that order up to $53.15. We'll see if that can get hit. I also have an order on EXAS at $67.75, but we'll check on that one. Oh, that one's actually maybe getting in play again. This one can move very quick. So yeah, let's see if this one can surge up there. I'll keep a closer eye on this one. All right, my scanners actually just started working. Have ordered go short initially here at 40.35. So let's see if that can get filled or not. There we go. So I'm in there. Oh, nice. Might have an opportunity to build some more. Got some at 43.65 to short. So let's see if it wants to get up there or not. I'll also do some at 43.75. Nice, got those. So a partial up there at 43.75. What happened there? I got out at 43.45. All right, so this one's getting a little messy here. So I have 552 shares left. Now I have 52 shares left. So yeah, very sloppy thanks to that partial. So I'm just going to go ahead and get out. So there we go, $89 there on that trade. Just in case you're not really familiar with how things work right here, you can see that I wanted, oh, poor choice of colors. Right there, I wanted 500 shares at 43.75, but they only gave me 52. So that would have been that much better of a trade had I gotten those. But oh well, looking like it's still staying relatively strong. So we'll see if I can get another trade or not. Have an order at 62.35 here. Still a bit of ways away, but NKTR can move very quickly, so it could actually get up there pretty fast. So there's the kind of break of 62. So let's see if it can get up there. Initial entry point at 62.35, like I said. Have another order out there on AMBA at 43.95, which you can see down here. So we'll see what happens. I'm going to let this one run a little bit while longer. As you're seeing, it's quite jumpy. All right, well, I'm going to go ahead and pause now as it's still struggling quite a bit with 62, it seems. All right, now it's coming to life here a little bit more. I actually want to do 62.45 here. Actually, I take that back. I'm going to stick at 62.35. Just notice something. Maybe you noticed it too. I'm going to keep my eye out for it. Something on level 2s that makes me think, you know, it's at least logical to keep my initial entry point there. All right, I'm going to go ahead and pause. All right, 62.65. Well, I got 100 shares. Are they going to give me some more? Okay, I'm in there at 62.65 as my original entry point. So let's see if this wants to give me an opportunity at some more shares, or if it wants to pull back. So I'll go 63.15 and 63.20 and 63.25 if it wants to break up through 63. So let's see what it wants to do here. Apparently not the best. Whoops, 62.60. Apparently not the best entry point, so I'll just take the 5 cents if it wants to give me that. Or if it wants to make a bigger move up, then as you see, I have my orders up there waiting. So yeah, let's see what this thing wants to do. I'm going to go ahead and pause it since we're already over 11 minutes. And well, let's pull them back here a little bit. Maybe I'll get out. Oh, it's stopping just shy of that 62. All right, so it just gave me the 5 cents there. So essentially a failed trade in the sense that, you know, I was looking for more, but apparently that wasn't quite the best entry point. But I will look to start the process again up there at 63.15, which is looking like it could be coming into play here. So I will watch it closely and get the video rolling again. All right, I turned my back for just a second, and this thing already broke. So I'm going to go ahead and change this up, though, as I don't like how it all of a sudden just paused right below my order. But wow. And I realize this is totally hindsight, but right here I sit here and say NKTR, just go long with this pattern 2 minute. And of course I turn my back, did not go long, and now you can see, you know, the price breaking upwards. So for any of you members that watch these videos and saw that and then hopped in on the long side, congratulations, you're now in a breakout. We'll see if I can capture some here on the short side or not. But yeah, so for those of you that always, that's a popular question, hey Clay, how does the chat room work? There's a quick little example of how things work that's kind of real time for you because you're watching all this as it unfolds, and that's kind of behind the scenes as it works, you know, within the chat room. So 63.45, next order out there, we'll see if it can get up there or not. All right, looking like I got a chance. I am in. Oh, and I'm out that fast. Okay, let's see, double checking. Want to start the process over at 63.85. Double checking. Why do I say double checking? Well, if you've watched my videos, you know I've made many stupid errors because I'm trying to talk and do this at the same time. So I've learned to just say, if I say double checking out loud, it ensures that I'm actually looking and making sure I'm clicking the right buttons and putting it in the right value. So yeah, 63.85 is my next order. And you know, if it wants to give me the quick $50, which it did right there, I'll take it. But I'd ideally like more shares. So let's see if it can get up to 85 or not. Very quick mover, as I'm sure you've now discovered. So again, to those people that are going long, and this just shows, you know, why I am a fan of the community. When you talk about stocks like this, it's not like they're dumping on me. It's not like I'm dumping on them. There's plenty of volume here where there's people in the chat room that are making money on the long side right now, as I showed you, and I just made money on the short side. So, you know, it's not like some of these rooms where they're talking about penny stocks or low volume stocks. And really, it's just a game of musical chairs where everybody's, you know, trying to get out before everybody else. Here, you literally saw it. People are making money on the long side from my alert while I'm making money on the short side. And the thing is still going up. So it's not like I just crushed anybody or anything like that. So one of those little hidden things that I think a lot of people miss out when they're looking for chat rooms is, you know, is it a game of musical chairs or is everybody making money? And here's a perfect example of everybody making money, both on the long side and on the short side. So let's see if it can get up to 63.85 or not. I'm going to go ahead and pause. Wow, 15 minutes. That's okay. We'll do a little longer. All right, getting somewhat close to 85. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and change this now. There's some things that I'm seeing. So let's go to 63.95. And shoulda, coulda, woulda. Why didn't I just go long on my alert? Hindsight trading. Again, congratulations to you that did take that alert. You are cruising along here in this pattern breakout. All right, 63.95. We'll see if we can get up there or not. All right, looking like I may be able to get back here in the air at 63.95. Okay, 478 shares. I am in. I'll go to 64.25 though, if it wants to give me some more. Also 64.45. So let's see what it wants to do here. Okay, I got those. So we'll look to cover at 64 or 64.05. I have some more up there at 64.45 if it wants to give me some more of those. Okay, I got, no, I did not get those. So let's see what this one wants to do. All right, it gave me 400 of the shares I wanted at 64.05. So let's see if it wants to go back down there or not. So I'm now down to 600 shares. Okay, I got those again. Whoops, I need to be focused more so on getting some more shares up here. Let's try for some at 55. Okay, nice, nice. Good. So I'll put some orders out there at 40 and 35. So let's see if this thing's going to pull back some. I'm getting the size that I wanted. So again, have orders out there at 40 and 45. Try for some at 75, got those. So let's see what it wants to do. I'll really start to ramp up my size here up over 65. $65.20. Whoops, $65.25. Okay, I got all those. So let's see if I can get a pullback here. Let's go 15 and 25. I realize I'm not talking too much right now, just getting my orders out there. So a breakdown through 65 here would be fantastic. So let's see what this thing wants to do here. And I'm going to go ahead and pause. And if it looks like it's going to pull back, well, it's trying to pull back here. Let's see if it can get down to 64.80 or not. First key break is the break of 65. Okay, so it's trying. If it can hit that green line there, I'm starting to make money. So let's see if it can get down to that green line or not. It's trying. I got some shares out. See if it can make another push down there or not. Okay, I got all those. All right, let's see. So I am short 100 shares here, and I'm just going to go ahead and I'll let this one work for me. So stop at 63.52. So now it's just a question of not if I make money, but how much money am I going to make? A great spot to be in the world of charts, or in the world of trading, I should say. So again, not if I make money, but how much money am I going to make? How much further is this thing going to roll over? And I am out. So there is $1,100 on the trade, and it was about time I finally caught one that allowed myself to build up a good sized position and capitalize on it. But Clay, you're down a lot more. They're called unrealized losses for a reason, and I'll just leave it at that. But let's keep in mind here, though, that remember, that alert that I showed you was down here. So not only did members of the chat room make a whole bunch of money on the upside, but you just saw me make over $1,000 on the short side. That's what a true chat room's all about. That's what a true community is all about. That's why our community gets along so nicely, because it's not a game of finger pointing. You dumped on me, you dumped on me. It's just trading certain stocks, picking out certain stocks where everybody has the opportunity to make money. And like I said, that's not a sales pitch. You literally just saw how it all unfolded here. So, wow, we may have a record here. 22 minutes. I definitely got to wrap this thing up. So, yeah, let's see. Started off the day, obviously very rough with the broker not working. It is now noon Eastern time, and I'm up about $1,200 on the day. So I will take it, and I'm happy with that. But if you enjoyed this video and you want me to keep making these, the easiest way to communicate that is click that like button, subscribe to the channel. If you are interested in joining this chat room that I keep talking about, all you got to do is go to claytrader.com/inner circle, and it's $99 per year, not per month, per year. More than affordable. When you break down the math, it's literally less than $2 per week. And then if you're interested in learning how to trade with charts, then you can do that again at claytrader.com. I offer many online video courses on that, and you can check all that stuff out if you want. Once more though, if you don't spend a dime, totally cool, but if you do enjoy these and you want me to keep making them, like I said, click that like button. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.